Hi, my name is DISHA GANDHI. I scored 321 marks in my foundation June 22 attempt. I have prepared all the things from module and also covered Navkar Spiral. Navkar Spiral act as a notes for me for my end time revision during the exams. Also, the NDI feature of Navkar helped me a lot to revise all the concepts and sums which I forgot due to some reason. I gave all the exams and prepared 4 hours daily, and when my classes were not there, then I used to study for 8 to 10 hours. All the faculties helped us for doubt solving, and because of that I could easily pass my examination. At the end, I was not at all nervous or in tension because of the exams. I could clear them very confidently because of the consistent preparation I had done. Also, I have given all the examinations of Navkar, therefore there was not at all any difficulty during my final examination, and it helped in my writing practice and time management also.